there, I really want to give Matt's course a complete thumbs up and a great recommendation. If you're looking at it right now, trying to decide, trying to figure it out, let me encourage you, as somebody who's tried a few different courses here and there, this is one of the best I've ever seen. Matt really knows his stuff, and not only does he know what he's talking about, but he lays it out in a very easy to understand manner, and it's very step-by-step, and it's just the kind of thing that you're looking for, where it's going to really take you by the hand and explain things. So the value there is so beyond the money that you're going to put up for the course. There's some really incredible knowledge there, and I'd really encourage you to really seriously consider it.